Today we are going to study about the artery supply of stomach. Let's begin. The main artery that supplies the stomach is celiac trunk. Celiac trunk, it is the one of the ventral branches of abdominal aorta. It gives up 3 branches. We have given it in different colors so that we can identify which is the branch of which artery. The green colors are the branch of celiac trunk. Let's see. The one is splenic artery, another is left gastric artery, and the last one is common hepatic artery. The one which directly supplies the stomach is left gastric artery. It supplies the upper half of the lesser curvature of the stomach, and it is the principal artery of the stomach. Let's move on to the common hepatic artery. It directly does not supply the stomach, but it gives up branches which do. It has 3 branches which are given in red color: 1, 2 and 3. 1 is right gastric artery, 2 is gastroduodenal artery, and 3 is hepatic artery proper. The right gastric artery supplies the lower half of the stomach, of the lesser curvature of the stomach. Now, to give an extra information, hepatic artery proper later on divides into right and left hepatic artery. Gastroduodenal artery, after crossing the diameter of the duodenum, it divides into 2 branches. These are given in blue. One is superior pancreaticoduodenal artery and the other one is right gastroepiploic artery. The right gastroepiploic artery supplies the lower half of the greater curvature of the stomach. Now let's move on to the splenic artery, which is the branch of celiac trunk. Splenic artery gives the 2 branches which are mentioned in yellow color. One is left gastroepiploic artery and another is short gastric arteries. Left gastroepiploic artery supplies the upper half of the greater curvature of the stomach, and the short gastric arteries, I have written arteries because the splenic artery gives off 2 to 5 short gastric arteries which supplies the fundus of the stomach.